All right, we're given the functions f of x equals 5x minus 4 and g of x equals 7 minus x. And we're working with combining functions, and the operation here is to find f over g of x, so f divided by g. So we'll just take the two functions and simply write them as a quotient. So we'll have 5x minus 4 in the numerator and 7 minus x in the denominator. And there's nothing we could do to simplify that. It might be important to say the domain is all real numbers except 7, but that's not part of the question, that's just implied. But then we're asked to find the function value of f over g when we plug in 4. So we'll say 5 times 4 minus 4, and we'll have 7 minus 4 on the bottom. So up top that would be 20 minus 4, which will be 16, and on the bottom 7 minus 4 is 3. So the combined function here for the division is 5x minus 4 over 7 minus x, and the function value when we plug in 4 is 16 thirds. Thank you.